Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how you can reinstate a restricted Facebook advertising account. As you can see here, it says, when I get to the ad manager and I try to create an ad campaign, it says, you are not allowed to advertise. You can't create ads because you are restricted from advertising. So when you see something like that, then what you just have to do is to click on the See Details. So when you click on See Details, it will take you to the business support home. Now, there are several reasons why restrictions happen. As you see here, this one says your Facebook account is temporarily restricted because we notice unusual activity on it. While your account is restricted, ad manager features are limited, and you won't be able to boost posts and add people or edit rules. So they are saying they notice some unusual activity. So in some cases, you always see under the what you can do section here, you have to always check here. You may see request review. When you see request review, what you are supposed to do is you have to make sure that first of all, you come to your Facebook support home, they'll go to your settings, then go to settings and privacy, click on settings here, go to personal details, then from here, you come to the profile. So look at the name. Make sure that the first and last name is matching exactly with the correct information on the account. The first and last name, I mean the correct information on your identity confirmation card, like your identity verification, national ID. You can use national ID, passport, driving license, and maybe voter ID. You can use any of those documents to verify your identity. So if you come here and the first and last name that you see here is not matching with what is on your ID, you have to change it and make it look exactly like what's on your ID. Like it should match. Then the birth date, that is the date of birth, should also match. When that is done, then you come back to the Facebook support home and then come back here. Now there are many types of restrictions. Here, this one is not typically the one that we will need to submit an ID. What you are seeing here, this one is a restriction that is involving the debit card verification, and I will show you all the types you may have and how you have to approach it. So if they are asking you to request a review, so you click on the request review, and then you will be asked to confirm your email and phone number, and subsequently submit your your ID card, and they will verify it. After, when you just click on the request review, you follow the prompt to submit it. Within 48 hours to 4 days, they will reinstate your account if you actually didn't violate any policy. But or in some cases, even if you violate the policy, they can reinstate the account for you. It depends on the type of policy you violated. Now, this particular one, when you see something like start verification, this one is about debit card verification. So if you click on start verification, it will ask you, there's a certain debit card that was on the account. They are asking me that to complete the verification process, please enter the full credit card number for the payment method referenced above. So there's a certain debit card that was 3913. It has expired, but they are still asking that I submit that card for verification. So I am putting the verification details. So after putting the details, I'm clicking on verify. And as you can see, it has been verified successfully. So the restriction that was on the account, it says your account restrictions have been removed. To help keep your account secure, you'll be logged out of all other sessions. If you have not already, please turn on two-factor authentication and update your password. This can help protect your account from unauthorized access. Then I'll click on done. So the restriction has been removed. Now, if you follow this step-by-step process and your account is you are paying and you are not getting your issue resolved, please don't hesitate to follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me, and I will help you get a solution so that you can run ads again and get very good results. If you're contacting me, know that We can have you can book a Zoom meeting with me, and we look at your problem on Zoom. But that one, you will pay for it. It's not for free. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video. Bye bye.